Alright guys, today I'm coming to you with an unboxing of the limited edition Black Ops 3 PS4. Sorry about the movement because I don't have a stand yet, so yeah, here it goes. The box. Alright, let's look at this. It's 1 terabyte, so it's pretty good. It's not bad. Sony. There's the box. Alright. Look, the controller turned on. Well, here's the controller. It's pretty nice, actually. I like it. It's pretty cool. It's the power cord, each controller, headset, HDMI. Here we go with the system. Here's the game. Come with a Newtown bonus map. And here goes the system. Oh, you can already see through it. That's pretty cool. Wow. Look at this beauty. Got the logo on the front, which is pretty sick, man. It has campaign, multiplayer, zombies, orange lights. Back's the same, but the front, man, it's amazing. Here it is all together. Here it is all together.